Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Stewart, the Head of Maths at North Gosforth Academy. The Maths team are really looking forward to seeing you all in September. In Year 7, you will continue to build on the maths you've learned in primary school. In some ways, you don't learn anything brand new. We take the little blocks of knowledge that you already have in your brain and build on top of them. We add new ideas, make things a little more complex, and make problems more difficult. We dig a little deeper, uncover new links, and try and make all the maths in your head connect together a little bit better. This is never ending, and we keep adding to it every single year. All of the maths you learn in Year 7 can fit into 5 main topic areas. The first one is number. You will learn more about the properties of different types of numbers, including whole numbers, negative numbers, fractions, and decimals. We will help you develop strategies to help you confidently calculate with all types of numbers, both mentally and with a calculator. The second big topic is algebra. This is the topic that a lot of Year 7s worry about. Please don't. You will be taught how we use letters to represent numbers we don't know. We will use algebra to solve all kinds of problems, including applying it to real life situations. You will learn how to write expressions, solve equations, and begin to understand what functions are and how we link them to graphs. The next topic is geometry and measures. This is just a complicated way of saying shapes and everything about them. We will teach you more about 2D and 3D shapes. You will learn what the different shapes are and the different ways of measuring and calculating their properties, such as area or volume. You will also learn how to transform shapes, which basically means change their appearance. This links us nicely to the fourth main area of maths, which is ratio and proportion. We will use ratio and proportion in lots of different ways, but for me, the most important way is to help us reason mathematically. We will delve deeper into percentages, ratio, and direct and inverse proportion, showing you how they are all connected. You will see how these link to both real-life problems and more abstract concepts using both numbers and algebra. And finally, we will cover some statistics and probability. This big topic covers how we collect, present, and interpret real-life data. You might draw graphs or tables or find averages before writing conclusions on your findings. You will also learn how probability can show you the likelihood of something happening. And what I want to say to finish is that it's often really difficult to put a new piece of learning into one of these topics. As teachers, we do it so it fits into individual lessons, but the reality is that any one lesson will cover more than one of these topics. As you move through secondary school, you will see more of how the maths curriculum fits together and how you will use it across different subjects and in real life. We will show you how individual bits of maths connect and link together, which will hopefully help you understand them. Throughout every lesson and every topic, your teacher will want you to explain what you are thinking using the correct vocabulary. We will help you do this. You will get better and more confident solving problems. You will be able to explain the maths you are doing and the reasons you chose to do it that way. Maths isn't just about the final answer. Although that is really important, it's also about how you got to that answer. This is the part that makes sure you always get the right one. So, please don't worry about starting Year 7 and certainly don't be worried about maths. All of the staff will make sure you're okay.